welcome back to DanceRanch.net. Our next pattern is going to be in Waltz, is going to be a Twinkle. Now, this is where things start to really go for another level. It starts to really travel a little bit. Yes, we had a travel step or two just now, but this is where it really starts to change the ball game. Now, once more, we're not doing rise and fall. For those of you who have a little bit of background in dance or have seen it a few times, we're not doing rise and fall. That's a video that you can actually go learn, that little drill, and implement it into your dancing. Right now, waltzing is just about moving across the floor with your timing and your partner, cool, and positioning. So when we go through this, we're going to demonstrate it, and then we're going to break it down to you. It's really going to take this and move across the floor, and you're going to see some things like you do in your last pattern, your travel step, that'll start showing out. So here we go. We're going to take it from this angle, from the side, and we're going to step directly into our partner. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know, that was it. Look at there. Didn't know you could do that. Let's go away from the camera. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Let's take it from another angle. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very cool. Now, when I'm doing this, now it doesn't take a lot. If you actually look at this, and we go through it, I'm just going to rotate to my right like a promenade. So basically what I'm doing is here, I'm just rotating and keep my elbows facing and shoulders facing my partner a little bit, and I rotate my hips, and we start going at an angle. Now, when we talk about promenade position a lot of times, we see this right hip of ours to her left. We have this connection. So really what I'm trying to do is I'm not trying to pull her, and you don't want to kind of feel this all the time. You see this in two-step every once in a while too. What I'm looking for is that you're going to have a slight bang. Now, it's like NASCAR. I know some of you are with NASCAR, some of you are not. But if I'm going like on a turn and I'm hitting one, I'm on the bank, okay? It's kind of like you go up, and that's where you see some people doing like a little rise and fall. But you don't need to do that. You just need to step out to the side and rotate the shoulders, okay? And it's not like you're trying to pull her shoulder blade and pull it this way. Just rotate your body and start moving. If I start moving this way directly, what am I going to do? I'm going to look, right? You have that feel. You've seen this in probably some movie, tango, dancing, is that we just start moving. What do? Hey, let's move this way. The body's going to open up. Why? Because it needs to move that way, so it's not going to go too much like that. It's going to start walking. It's used to walking, okay? So,
I think you could be onto something. That could be a new dance.
yeah. Well, there's one that was like merengue. Okay.
No, but I don't know. The way you did it the second time.
It's just holding up the thing, right?
Anyway, okay.
All right, so moving on. So, what we're going to do is, again, once we step through this, and I'm stepping, I'm going 1, 2, 3. Now, what shows her is that I'm actually going to say, all right, I want to go this way. And I'm looking that way. So, ladies, what are you doing? You want to look with me. What are you looking at? Here we go. Right? So, one more time. Let's take it from this angle. So,
and just by you opening up,
yeah.
I feel that, and I open up.
Yeah, don't make it harder than it really is. You're just saying, okay, where are you going? Oh, let's go this way. And you start moving. You just rotate the frame. Mm-hmm. That's really all you're doing. You walk in the direction you're going. Mm-hmm. Walk in the direction, rotate your upper body, and ask her to go with you, okay? Don't demand it, don't force it. Just walk that way and just start opening up. You both are trying to communicate. Don't make the communication harder than it really is, okay? That's why I think people get bogged down with dancing. Like, it's really hard.
And communication.
Yeah. It's what you make of it, okay? Just have a good time. So when we're stepping through this, I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you notice what happened on that one. As soon as I go through, I'm still moving forward for 4, 5, 6. So when I step through, okay, I'm going 1, 2, 3. What I do next? I want to move forward. All I want to do, I'm not trying to force her. I'm just going to walk, and then I rotate my body back toward in front of me. So I'm actually stepping through 4, here, 4, turn the body and start walking back forward again. And she's going to be on the outside. You don't have to get her back in front of you again, okay?
Just simply because I'm connected to that same frame, when he moves back,
yeah.
I'm going to move, I mean, wherever.
Yeah. So when I go this way, she's going to go that way, okay? And again, when I move, I know, guys, it's kind of like forklift. Yes? I got a forklift, yeah, exactly. Mm-hmm. Like cargo. Don't tell her that she's cargo.
We're valuable cargo.
You're valuable cargo.
We can be cargo. We're valuable cargo.
There you have it, guys. There you have it. Okay, all right. She's the center of your whole world.
Valuable.
Valuable. Okay, now, moving on. Now, we're going to move it. And again, you're just really trying to keep this. You're not trying to throw the rose in the teeth and you kind of move across the floor. You're really just, you could, right. Now, if you're dancing in a tight knit area and you want to kind of keep it a little bit more intimate, if you will, a little closer, you can do that. All right, you're going to probably, you want to make contact. You're here, so you're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Just don't step on each other and don't look down. Don't look down, especially when you're that close. You're going to headbutt. Not a good thing. Okay? And you can move around your island doing this, and it's very fun to kind of close that up. Now, what do? So once you go through that again, I'm going to step through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Guess what happens? You can repeat that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or go to another pattern that we've done before. Yes, you can actually travel or stay stationary on a lot of these patterns. Just connect them like Lego blocks. Okay? Go back, rewind this as much as you need to. Have fun with this, and we'll see you back for the next pattern.